कभी जिंदगी में लोन लिया है? वेल अभी तुम बहुत छोटे हो, लेकिन जब बड़े हो गए, शादी वादी होगी, होम लोन, कार लोन, ये लोन, फलाना ढिमका एंड पर्सनल लोन, बहुत सारे लोन्स लोगे, उसके लिए सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट जैसी चीजें आनी पड़ेंगी, वरना बैंक्स तुम्हें लूट लेंगे। टोटल ऑफ रुपीज पी इज लेंट आउट, लेंट किया टू 3 people एट सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, इजी सिंपल इंटरेस्ट पे, एट 10% per annum, 20%, लेट्स से A amount, B amount and C amount has been lent out. Let's say 3 लोगों में 10% पे 1, 20% and 14% per annum. PA means per annum for 6 years, 5 years and 2 years respectively. So this one is for 6 years, this is for 5 years and this is for 2 years. This is simple interest. It means 6 years में 10% के हिसाब से he would take 60% interest. He would pay 60% of A should be equal to something. This is 100% of B and this is 14 into 2, 28% of C. Now what have they mentioned? Respectively, such that interest received from each one of them is 8400. So 60% of A is also 8400, 100% of B is also 8400 and 28% of C is also 8400. Now we just need to find A, B, C and sum it up, क्योंकि उन्होंने final value of P पूछा है. You have to find A. A would be 8400 upon 0.6. Technically you can write this as 0.60 into 100 from here. What do you get from here? इसको कट करोगे 14000, that is 14,000. A comes out to be 14,000. 100% of B is 8400. It means B is 8400 itself. And for C, it would be 8400 upon 28 into 100. Now when you divide this, this is 3. This comes out to be 30,000. Now just sum all these three up. 1, 2 and 3. 14,000, 30,000, 44,000, 44 or 8, 52,400. This shall be the फाइनल आंसर. इसमें थोड़ी मेहनत लगी, 99 सेकंड से शायद थोड़ा सा ज्यादा लग सकता है, बट इन द एंड कुछ क्वेश्चंस 99 सेकंड से थोड़ा ज्यादा मांगेंगे, ये उनमें से हो सकता है. दैट इज द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.